Hi, I'm Laura with Rethunk by Laura. Welcome to Thursdays at 3-ish. Not so close, Tom. Katie's not feeling well, so she's not cameraman today. Tom is. So we've told him not to make you sick, not to go seasick and wonky, and I'm trying to get him to step back just a little bit and focus on the project. So we'll see how it goes. You want to close that door so we don't hear the tape rolling? Oh, you gotta walk backwards. That's tricky.
I could have done it.
Not that. That's not it.
Oh, wrong door.
Yeah.
Sorry.
There
Sorry,
you
people.
go.
I'm trying.
There you go. Okay.
Mary
We're
Minish
gonna
said
start-
hello.
Yeah, who?
Mary Minish.
Oh, hey, Mary.
See, that was not even on mine.
That's not even on yours?
Deborah Lynn Bedford Weir said hello. Denise
think you got it
Dubeck
right.
said I'm here.
Denise, that's awesome.
Kimberly Christie.
Yay.
She said
Okay.
hi from Iowa.
We're going to start with our March Welcome Our New Retailers.
D.D. St. Peter. D.M. Partridge
I
Bailey.
forgot to ask you if you got that email.
I did get that email because you're awesome. Okay, so March New Retailers. Okay, that's a little close, honey. Remember we
Look
talked
at my
about
wife
that?
and her sexy
We
glasses.
just talked about how close you're supposed to be, and
We're
that's
modeling off
way
your
too
glasses.
close. We're not modeling off anything. We're welcoming new retailers. Thank you. All right, Kathy and Sarah with the Desert Willow Shop in Vail, Arizona. My sister lives in Arizona. Awesome. Michelle Watson with Antiques, Deco, and More in LaPorte, Texas. Is that how you say that, LaPorte?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Has an E on the end. It could be LaPorte, but LaPorte, Texas.
Texas.
Connie, is it Diebler? Did I get it right?
Yes.
Okay, Connie Diebler with Connie Diebler Designs, Millersburg, Pennsylvania. Angela Smith with Mimi's Restoration in Tupelo, Mississippi. And Kendra Calhoun, Crafty K's in Chipley, Florida. I've never even heard of Chipley, Florida.
It's over by Niceville.
Never heard of Niceville. So, but she's in Florida. We'll probably have to
They're
visit
not
there.
very kind there.
So, yeah. So, ooh, I got a coupon from Ted's Montana Grill just now.
It's near
That's fabulous.
Pensacola.
D.D. St. Peter said hello. D.M. Partridge Bailey said hello.
Hey,
Dana
Dan. Hey, Dee Dee.
Markey said hello from New York, and it's cold. She has a snowflake on there.
Oh, that's no good.
It's
Sorry.
only 81 here.
It is warm here.
Betsy
Okay,
Taylor said hello.
we're doing Customer Creations winners. First, we've got a $35 credit, so place an order, put in the notes section that you won the Thursday at 3, and
I'm
we'll
creamy
refund
out your
$35.
cleavage.
I shouldn't have any clavage. Don't do that. All right.
He said it in French. No,
Hello
he
from
thinks
yeah,
that's
that makes it not bad. Clavage. Hello from Ohio and Idaho. And
Hey, Ohio. Hey,
Mary Moss
Idaho.
said it's cold in Kentucky.
It's cold in Kentucky?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Thunder over Louisville. I always went and froze my bottom off.
It's already over, isn't it? Or is it coming up?
It should be
Thunder
coming
over
up.
Louisville?
Should be coming
Oh,
up
that
this
makes
weekend.
me sad. Because I want to go, not because it's an awesome thing. Okay, here's the first one. Colleen, look at her before and after. Oh, shoot.
Rhonda said your hair looks great.
Oh, thank you. I
Her
did
hair
just
does
get it
look
cut.
great.
Um,
It's the glasses.
Yeah, right. Before and after on her kitchen. Redid my kitchen cabinets using prep first. Yay for her. That's the first step. Painted using the color cotton. Finished it off with Tough Top and satin to protect them. They came out fabulous. Love your products. We love you, Colleen.
That does look awesome.
Yes, it does look awesome.
That quick flip to the screen that you just did.
What? I know, right? So, place an order for $35. Got a credit. Blah, blah, blah. And now we have one more. And that is Sherry Little. Look at this. She found this free. How do people do that? That's her before. Isn't that awesome?
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
And look how awesome she made it.
Oh, that's
So, Sherry, is that paper on the drawers? She's probably not even watching. Got a $35 credit. That looks awesome, doesn't it? When you open the drawers, I never do anything that nicely. Looks really, really beautiful. She did cotton with a bit of dark glaze and a fun stencil. Do what?
Where is this stuff from?
I don't know where Sherry found it. I don't know where Sherry is. If she snapped it up, we don't have it.
Sherry don't live in Atlanta.
So there you have another $35 credit, and place an order. Put it in the notes section that you got a $35 credit for Thursday 3, and we refund $35.
Did you get all those highs that flew by?
Well, no, so I'm going back. So,
Ooh, you're going back.
yeah, 1 second. So
Okay.
I'm trying to read and do you at the same time. Rebecca Owens from Villa
You don't
Rica
have to
said
do me, you
hello.
can just
Johnny
read.
Williams said hello. Rhonda Mesmer, your hair looks fantastic.
Thank you. Must have really looked
how can
bad
she
before.
see me? Is there a reflection somewhere? Hey, y'all from Missouri. Thunder is Saturday. So you can still go. I'll arrange a
Road
ticket.
trip, let's
I'd
go.
love it. I
Yeah.
would go in a heartbeat.
Yeah, but I'm not there to keep your
I go
spot
with
and
you?
put the tent up.
Oh, it would be awesome.
Shelly.
What's the weather supposed to be like Saturday?
It's supposed
Pretty.
to be warmer.
In Kentucky.
Shelley Scott said, "Yay, I made it." Hi from Pennsylvania, first timer. Donna
Hey,
Rose.
oh, welcome. First
Hi,
timer.
Miss Laura from Milton, Florida.
Hey
Anything
there.
of Rosemary's watching?
We are so excited you're joining us.
Shelley Scott.
And it's a good thing you've already logged on because today's project is going to be so fast it's going to be over before you even know it.
Did you
So,
see that question
what question?
from Lindsay Fisher?
What's the question?
It says, let's see. I was here every day. When I go to the paint, the color we choose, should
Mumbler.
You're supposed to read it out.
if you've already prepped and you
No. Read the question
All right.
so everybody knows what you're answering.
Lindsay Fisher says, "Hey, I painted like 7 different colors on my cabinets to see which one we want to do. I also
awesome.
covered them with glaze. When I go to paint the color we choose, should I prep again or no? Does it matter going over the glaze?" No, it does not. You do not have to prep again if you've already prepped them. Just fire away. Just make sure there's no, there shouldn't be, but make sure there's no bumps or ridges where you painted those areas. If there is, just sand it a little bit. Yeah, otherwise, you'll paint over it and it might show. But otherwise,
It doesn't
you're good to go.
matter what you see, it matters how it feels. So run your hand over it. If it feels smooth, you're good. If it feels like a bump, it'll show up. So sand till it feels smooth, doesn't matter how it looks.
Yeah, but that's only if you feel it. If you don't, if you just
That's
put a
what
little
I
bit, you're
just said.
good.
Just if you feel
Don't
it.
talk to me. Susan Mikey said hello. Sherry Moss, who knows about the weather in Kentucky, haha. Jody Palmer
Well,
from
that's
Cleveland,
true.
Georgia, does a wonderful job using your products. Yes, she does. That was Hilda Talent.
I should have a pair of scissors in
Sorry,
here.
guys, I'm trying to read them all.
Okay, all right, we're going to start the project today. We're making
Somebody
a frame.
paused their TV just to watch your video. Naomi
We
and
love
Lelos.
people with low standards. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. We're making the frame. So you need a canvas. This canvas actually, and I wish I had not stapled on the last piece of the frame, was autumn leaves in brown and nasty gold gross. Remember that picture?
Yes.
It just was like really weird, blurry photograph of. So I painted over it with fog and then traced the word on there. And then you can tell because this is horrible, just drew that on freehand. And then we just staple the frame on. So you need a canvas. Today I got this one at Target. If you have a Cricut or a Silhouette or something, you can totally make a stencil or you can totally apply vinyl however you want it. I have one, didn't take the time to do that, so I pulled this out of the drawer and traced that. So I just traced that and then painted it. So that's all that was. Now, what you want to do
You can
is...
tell them to share with their friends if you want, if they want to see.
Oh yeah, share with your friends. Share with your friends. So we are going to...
Well done, Laura.
Thanks. Well, I mean, you could have said it. We're going to apply... This is a 1x2. We cut the 1x2. This one... I did differently.
Lori, him and Pat Noel.
This one, I cut my top and bottom first. This one's I'm cutting the sides first so you can see which way you like it better. But it's a 1x2 and it's stained. I'll show you what we did to stain it. But it's stained with the Raven Black and the Dark Walnut. So you're going to put those on the sides. And I'll staple those in just a second. And then...
Tell Shelley Scott, yes. Yes, we saw your post. She's from Brandon, Pennsylvania. She posted, then she posted again. She said, I didn't know if this took.
Because your screen was black.
Because the
Oh,
screen was
gotcha.
black, yeah.
Okay.
Our screens go black a lot. We're technologically unsavvy.
I'm removing a staple, but I don't have scissors.
I want to see you get hurt. I'm sorry. I mean, I want to watch this.
I have a staple
Got it.
remover.
That was awesome.
All right, there's my 1x2. We've got Raven Black on it right now. You need to do the front and the back and the top. So you've got the front and the top. Now we're going to do the back. And then I'm going to put Dark Walnut over it because I just like the dimension it gives it. This is so fast and easy. So you cut either your top or your sides first, whichever you want. I did one of each so you can see how they look when we're done.
You should explain why you're using the chip brush for those.
I'm using the chip brush. We don't use this with paint. This is gross with paint. It leaves brush strokes and hairs drop out and it's stupid, but it's fabulous with
You
stain
talking about
top.
me?
No, you don't have hairs drop. Well, you do at this age. It will give you a great rustic look. Is that another staple? We'll just put that on the back. We won't even pretend that that's there. Okay, that'll give you a real rustic look. The chip brush is great for stain top. Love, love, love it. And I just put the stain top all over me. So when that is dry,
So Jamie and team is watching from Jasper Mountain Crafts.
oh fun! Hey Jamie. All right, then we're gonna put the dark walnut over it. See how much better it looks when you layer them? I really like layering them. Okay. Gotta coat that on now. Gonna let that dry while I staple the others on. This is such a fast and easy thing, and looks way expensive, like the Joanna Gaines signs that you pay more for than we paid. That frame right there, I mean that canvas cost me $2 because the picture was so hideous. So that cost me $2, and the frame piece, how much is a 1x2, Tom?
1x2x8 is $1.25.
That gives you 8 feet, way more than you would ever need for working on a project like this. So you can do a couple. And they're great for like if you wanted to do bride and groom signs. And like you can trace anything. Like I was at Target this morning and they have little wood cutouts that say bride and groom, so you could trace those and do signs. There's so much you can do. That looked wet. So much you can do if you don't have a silhouette or a cricket or whatever. Obviously, if you have those, sky's the limit. So,
But then they don't use the paint.
You trace them and then you paint them.
No, but I mean, if they don't have a silhouette.
Yeah, you would trace the words like I did.
If they have a silhouette, then they can do vinyl, but then they don't use the paint.
Well, I would prefer you do a stencil and use the paint.
Yeah.
Don't just stick the vinyl on. We want you using the paint. Thank you, Jill.
Sorry.
Amy
It's
Roberry
okay.
is watching.
Woo!
You need me to hold that?
Well,
Sorry.
I just don't want to go through the...
Just don't shoot me.
I'm not. I'm going down low. Ow! That was funny, Tom. And... All right. Now, hold this side so I can do the other side.
Of course, dear.
Okay. This is so easy. All right, push against me.
Wait. I'll have to step over there to do that.
With your hand on the frame.
Oh. That sounded good.
There we go. Okay. Tum-ta-tum. These are not dry yet. I'll probably ruin my piece, but I'm just going to show you what we do next is...
Pat Olshard and Monica I'm sorry. BAKSH is watching.
But welcome. Push against that. Ready? We're putting this on totally wet. But I got yelled at last week for making y'all watch paint dry.
What is wrong with your nail?
It's probably the battery.
Well,
We haven't charged the battery since we moved the warehouse.
Get a new battery.
Well, I don't have one. We haven't charged the battery since we moved the warehouse.
You have 6 batteries.
And we haven't charged the battery since we moved the warehouse.
Oh.
There we go. All right.
Hello from San Antonio. Shannon Jansky.
All right. And one more side. Aw. Did I go too low? Flip.
Oh, Lord.
This
We
goes
try
on
to
the
show you.
blooper reel.
We try to show you all how not to do it.
You can say that for people who are joining.
Steph Simas from Needful Things Addiction.
Yeah.
Sorry,
'Cause there's two
in
people.
California, checking in.
Yes,
Sorry,
I did.
too
Okay,
late
I'm
to the
so
party.
scared to go through it.
Yeah, you're late. You just need to click off there, Steph.
It's her husband's birthday. She gets a pass.
Oh, it's your husband's birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
What a birthday present to watch us. That's neat.
Okay, let's see if I got it this time.
Somebody needs to know, Labeth Hoekstra, she needs to know what nailing tool that is.
It's fabulous, isn't it?
It's-
Dun,
my
dun,
name-
dun!
my name's
It's
Tom.
awesome. The Ryobi Airstrike. Tom Whitlow.
Even Jill laughed at that one.
I
Because
usually do laugh at yours, but not
I'm
out loud.
sorry.
that is wrong, Tom.
I am
Wrong.
sorry. It's a Ryobi Airstrike
Yes, it is.
nailing tool.
Okay, I gotta put the bottom on so it looks right. Okay, totally wet still, but we're just doing this so you
Is
can
it staples
see.
or nails you're being asked?
Staples.
Staples.
No, it's nails. I'm sorry,
gonna
it's
say.
nails. No, it's nails. All
You
right.
did that one more inset than you did the other one.
Because this canvas was
Oh, sorry.
narrower.
Okay. That
You
makes
said you liked it or you didn't like it?
No, I do like it. I was
You can do it either way. You can have it up flush with the top, but I don't like it as well.
Can you guys argue after we're done?
No, she said it's a good
not
question.
arguing.
That's a
Amy
great
Samuel
question.
Roberry got a nail. She got it for Christmas.
Congratulations, Amy. These are fabulous. Tom, you are a rotten, rotten man.
What? Oh, I see. Where are y'all's minds? Y'all are in the gut.
We work with you.
Right?
That never even occurred to me.
Right.
Okay, wait. I gotta put one more in, and then I'm gonna lift it up. One more. Almost done. Daggum. Probably needed a longer nail there.
Nobody will know. I'll film from the other room.
All right,
Hello
here we
from
go.
Idaho, said Janet Morrison. And Roseanne Elliott says hello.
Ta-tam!
Oh, sorry.
Absolutely fabulous, right? Yes. And so quick and so cheap. The canvas I got at Target was $5.50. The 1x2 was $1. What did you say?
$1.25.
$1.25. Most of you have leftover paint from other projects. It takes a tiny bit of paint. So stain top is all you're looking at. So for, I don't know, $10, you can totally do this.
And do a million of them.
And do a million of them. Great Christmas gifts.
The canvases,
Great for weddings. Great for...
those size canvases at like Walmart come in a 3-pack.
You can get them at Walmart in a 3-pack. I wasn't close to Walmart, but thanks for telling me that in front of Tom.
Amy Samuels Roberry is bragging that her husband bought her a Christmas gift. That's just great, Amy Samuels Roberry. Thanks for bringing that up.
He bought the airstrike thing for her.
Yes.
Which we will now call an airstrike thing, not an alien.
Airstrike.
It's an airstrike. Yes.
Moniker's name
So,
is it.
there you have it. You can do all different kinds of the color. You can do gray on the stain on the frame. That would be beautiful. Gray with the raven black would be beautiful. Paint anything you want, any word, any phrase, any scripture, anything you want. And then just put your frame together. Thank you so much for joining us. This was a quick one this week. Want to see you do them? Please back off. I have some personal space. There's a bubble there. I'm going to have to make you a line. Thank you so, so much. We truly appreciate it. Happy rethunking.